The consequent famine is regrettable and unacceptable. This calls for urgent and decisive actions from all actors. Since the drought is affecting school-going children, the government should finance school feeding programs in those areas affected by the current drought so that no school-going child would drop out of school. We appeal to the government to set up a better coordinated multi-agency system of distributing emergency relief.
Let us leaders strive to be servant leaders, focusing on improving the economy for the benefit of all the citizens.